This personalized luggage tag is a breeze to make with your Cricut Maker and the Make Something You Love faux leather materials kit. Now your luggage is going to arrive in style. To make the luggage tag, you'll need 1 sheet of the beige pebble faux leather. You'll also need a piece of cardstock for the print and cut luggage tag information, a piece of acetate to cover your valuable information, as well as your Cricut burnisher and fabric glue, and this can be any type of fabric glue for the faux leather, and an eyelet setting set and a hammer, as well as 1 set of snap fasteners. Now you're watching this video and we've provided a link to the actual project that we've set up for the luggage tag next to the video that you're watching. So you can just click the link for the project and this is what your screen is going to look like. You've got the back of the luggage tag, or the front and the back, and then an acetate piece of paper and the print and cut name, address, and telephone number, along with the handle for the snap to go on your luggage. Because you've clicked customize and we're going to put our own monogram right here, I'm going to show you how that's done. Now to create your own monogram, you'll select text and select a font from all the fonts in the design space to use for your own monogram. Type the letter in uppercase and select it and move it to the center of the front of the luggage tag. Select both pieces together and click slice in the actions palette. Select the letter again, slide it off the front of your image and delete. Now you're ready to cut your luggage tag. One of the first mats is calling for the print and cut feature on the Cricut Maker. And what you'll notice is that this is going to go in your home printer and you're going to be able to print your name, address, and telephone number right here on the screen. Click continue and this mat is going to your printer first and then you'll feed it into the machine to cut your luggage tag. My material is set to medium cardstock 80 pound and I'll feed the light grip mat and the paper into the machine and it's going to cut my address, telephone, and name. For cutting the actual luggage tag, you're going to set your material to faux leather. It says paper thin and it has a C attached to the end of the description, and you want to select that because that's a Cricut approved material. One of the things I just noticed is that it says to make sure that mirror is turned on, faux leather is face down on the mat, and how you do that is up in the top left corner, you select the mat and then you hit mirror iron on. So this is going to flip my image so that when I cut face down, then I'm ready to go. The back side of the leather is quite interesting, and faux leather, that is. You're going to feed it straight into the machine, and I'm using the strong grip mat. I'm also using the fine point blade with this, which means that I can do a very intricate cut. The next mat that you're going to cut is for the acetate. Make sure and set the material to acetate and load the acetate into the machine. I'm using the light grip mat. You want to glue your acetate layer in first, and using your fabric glue, give all 4 corners of the bubble a little dab of glue. Center the acetate and let that dry. Your glue is going to go around 3 of the edges. So you'll take and draw a bead of glue all the way around the bubble and stopping here and here so that you have room to insert your luggage tag information. Your top layer goes on top of your bottom layer, and you want to let it dry. Now you're going to create the strap for your luggage tag using your eyelet setting tool and snap to create the snap. So you're going to have to set this in the faux leather. To do that, you'll actually take the tool and you're going to center your snap just by pressing down to see where your hole is going to go. It's going to make an impression in the material so that you can see exactly where to put the hole. So line it up on the setter itself and give it a good tap to create the hole. To create the first part of your snap, this is going to thread up through the piece, go back in your little setter, and then it will actually put the top on here, and with your second setter, you'll see there's a little groove right there. And again, everything should be in alignment, and tap to set. For the opposite end of the strap, create the hole, again centered at the bottom, and this time your snap is going to go face down so that you've got the right side of the material. Flip it over, put it in the little setter, and then put this on top. And with this tool, you're going to, again, give it a nice big tap. So now that you have your finished strap, you'll feed it through the top of the luggage tag and snap in place. Now, this is easy and ready to put on your favorite suitcase, but you know, me standing here with an M seems a little strange. So I had to actually make myself one with the genuine leather from Cricut so that my G can go with me. Now that's beautiful in the tag making.